Good morning, guys. Ooh, I feel sweaty. Ooh, what the heck? Good morning, guys. Okay, it is October 4th and we are about to go to New York. I woke up at 4:30 and I woke Liam up at 5:15. Say hi. Why you always stick your tongue out for? And we're kind of matching. We're both wearing white shirts. Yes. We're both wearing white shirts. He's wearing these camo Levi shorts. Mama. And Converse. And I'm wearing green pants, but I'm wearing black shoes. Right? So I'm just about to give him some milk and his dad's here to pick us up. So we're gonna go on our way to the airport. What? Oh my gosh. We're gonna go on our way to the airport and I will meet you guys there probably after I go through like security and stuff, so it'll be like less complicated because I've never done this before with a toddler. So yeah, let's go drink some milk. Baba? You want to Baba? Say bye. Say bye. All right, let's go. Like an hour. Did you see that? Yes, I tripped off that thing. I don't know if y'all saw that, but I just tripped off that little, what are those things called? Huh? What are those things called? I don't know, but I tripped off that thing.
Oh, the walking thing?
So check-in and baggage or whatever and security was all quick. The only thing is they had to check Liam's milk, but it was all fine. And I had to fold the stroller and take him out of the stroller, which was a little bit of work. So we're finally at our gate. We're at gate C11 and we're just going to sit down and I'm going to upload a video actually. Can we go sit over here? Mom, where are you going? I was gonna sit over here. So, yeah, finally.
How's Liam?
Let's see, let's check on baby.
Yeah.
Hi. Oh, you showing them your shoes? Ow. Let me take baby out so he can roam around, and then I'm probably gonna go to Starbucks to get a snack or in a drink maybe. So I do have a gift card. So
You're my favorite man.
yeah.
You're here, y'all. Don't forget about me.
Hey, and mommy. Say hey, mommy.
Hey.
Say hey, vlog.
Hey, vlog.
No, vlog, vlog.
Oh, it's vlog.
What she said? Hey, what you doing? Your first airport? Do you like it? What do you think? Now guys, tip number 1. I mentioned this yesterday. We brought this stroller. It's summer, I think, summer infant, and it's really lightweight. It's only 11 pounds. And we strolled him from the gate to here, and I could check it at the, when we get checked into the plane. Oopsie, come on. I can check it right at the gate. So that's tip number 1.
Come here.
Because he's not really that much of a walker yet. He's still learning. Right, baby?
Please. Could you keep looking at him? Your legs up, please.
Come here. Let's put this on your shirt. If you think Liam's outfit is fly, comment down below. What are you doing? Eating fruit? Mmm, yummy. You got some pineapple and some honeydew and some cantaloupe and strawberries. Is it good? Mmm. Liam's just eating some fruit. I got Oh gosh, get out of here. I got a chai tea latte with white mocha and coconut milk. You can't do this.
Just flight delay a little bit. It's 8:40 now.
It's not 8:40.
It's 8:40 flight. 8:30.
Oh. So our flight got delayed a little bit, I think. I think it says 8:40 now. I just took Liam to the bathroom. To change his diaper. It is around what, 8 o'clock, is it? Almost 8 o'clock. So I just changed his diaper so it'd be easier, so I won't have to do it on the plane. So that's tip number 2. Change diaper, let your kiddos use the bathroom before it's time to board, so it's not too cramped. And that diaper should last him till we get there. Oh, that's me. It's Grandpappy. Hello? Slump cam. Knox City. Low-key happy that he's sleeping because we're about to board very quickly. The plane just came up here behind us, so you can't really see it. It's bright. But we're about to board, and we have an aisle seat. And I hope he sleeps through the whole flight. He's sleeping because he woke up very early, so I think he's in a nap maybe through most of it, but he might wake up when we get on there. Might have to put him back to sleep, so fingers crossed. Alright, we're boarding. Let's go.
Thank you, lady.
You're welcome. Okay. Good morning. Good morning. Ouch. What the? What? I got attacked by a seat. Okay, 8, 10, 12.
12. CND.
Okay, so I'm not sure. We just got off. Oh, really bright. Just got off the plane. Liam? Our mom, she didn't sit with us, so she's coming off after. But Liam was sleeping when we got there, but when we got on the plane, he woke up, and then he fell asleep a little bit when we were getting off the plane, but now he's up again. So he did pretty good for his first time. He cried a little bit at the end, I think because his ears were hurting. But if you guys watched up to here, you've seen 5 or 6 tips, I guess, with traveling with a toddler. So I hope that helps y'all. Also, another good tip is to know who's gonna pick you up, because we don't know who's picking us up, so we're gonna be stranded. So I guess we'll check back in with y'all, and y'all see if we even get to where we need to go, or we have to stay at the airport all day.
Narita connection.
Liam. Oh y'all, Liam does this really cute thing. Watch.
Oh my gosh, he did.
He's so cute. Whenever I do that, he goes in for a kiss. So, where's my mom had the very last seat. Well, it was my seat, but she switched with me so I could sit with my sister, thankfully. So yeah. The McCarthy sisters. I like potato. To mommy. Good job. Come on. Wait, where you going? No, you're not going where they're going. Come on. Where's your Nana? Where's your Nana?
Connecting to Narita, Japan.
Oh, that's not fair. Where's your Nana? Don't see her.
Connecting to Narita with Japan Airlines.
Oh, there she is. Look, Liam. I'm going. Come on, suitcase. Thank you.
Car seat's yours?
Yes, all of these are ours. Thank you. Liam, look, your car seat, baby. Thank you. Liam, what are you eating? Say a croissant? Liam's eating a croissant for lunch because he doesn't want to eat any rice or chicken. He also had a banana. We are finally at our destination. Our aunt picked us up. So, yeah, we're just, oh, if you know me, you know I used to work at Chipotle. That's why I'm wearing this shirt. Because your girl was sweating like a dog. So, yeah. So, yeah, I don't really know what we're doing for the rest of the day. Whoa, it's really bright here. So I might be ending the vlog now. I'm not sure. It's just that the rest of the day is probably gonna be boring. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed traveling with us. And my 5 or 6, I don't really remember, I think 5 or 6 tips on traveling with a toddler. So this has been a Vlogtober. I won't say Vlogmas this time. This has been Vlogtober day 4. And if something interesting happens, I'll just insert it at the end, but probably not because we just need to chill. So yeah, talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye. Say bye, baby. Say bye-bye. You got croissant under your nose. Ooh, is it good? Okay. Bye, guys.